Ming Chi, he's back in the news because he's talking about super fast 5G, which, I mean, not all 5G is created equal. And a lot of people are curious, okay, what is this 5G story going to be for the upcoming iPhone? Because the word on the street is you're going to have some pretty hefty connectivity, and that would be a huge opportunity for Apple in the keynote as well as just in the marketing material to convince people to upgrade. There was a suggestion that the 5G would be a big reason for people to be interested in finally upgrading their older iPhones. However, this new report suggests that the type of 5G that's going to show up in most of the next generation iPhones isn't going to be that next level millimeter wave type of 5G that's delivering those ridiculous speeds with the drawbacks that come with it, including range and various other factors. When you're seeing those crazy 5G speed tests, you were just looking at one before we started shooting, and I believe it was actually on a Z Fold 2, or was it?
I think so, yes.
Anyway, you can find 5G speed tests pulling crazy numbers over the cellular network, well, over the 5G network. Obviously, this was the test that you were showing me here. First 5G speed test on a brand new Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G shot in downtown Hoboken, New Jersey. And look at this thing climb. This is on Verizon, by the way. Now, Verizon does support the millimeter wave 5G. And what are we getting? Like 2,000 megabit almost? 1,700 megabit? Even though, generally speaking, you're going to achieve something closer to 500 megabits. But still, it's bananas. And this millimeter wave technology is expensive and difficult to get right now because of lockdown, because of pandemic stuff. And so the original speculation was that maybe Apple could deliver 10 to 20 million units in 2020 featuring this technology. And now that estimate is closer to 4 to 6 million. And it's believed that this could be due to the impact of COVID. The global 5G millimeter wave base stations are lower than expected as far as being rolled out. So there may be less of a demand or need to even include this, especially when you consider the expenditure as much as $50 per phone to put this style of 5G into your next generation iPhone. So who would this affect? I suppose Verizon customers in the US would be impacted more by this. And depending on the market that you're in, if you can even take advantage of millimeter wave. But the suggestion here is that we're going to see a much slower pace, a much slower march towards that technology. It's going to take more time.
Yeah.